Hey, my name is Tanja Andersen. I have put on this summit to be a voice for my 27 years younger me. The voice that I needed at that time to break the silence, to heal the violence. When I was 27 years old, I thought there was something wrong with me, around my mind, around my emotion, around the action I chose. I believe I was sick. I was sick in my mind. I was sick inside, so I chose something to survive. I chose other people's needs before my own needs. Chose to be a pleaser. Chose unhealthy relationship, unhealthy lifestyle, and self-harm and violence. And that was close to be the last day on this earth for me in 2018 on the highway in the car. The two biggest beliefs I had was I am only loved when I am in pain, and I am the biggest mistake on this earth. Here is what you get. You get access to all the resources I have done absolute for free. Because if you want to unlock and break through any emotion to set yourself free and experience peace in your mind, soul and body, then I will ask the expert about what is their blueprint to unlock their silence to be who they are today. So if you want more peace, know you belong, be seen, have the courage to create a new identity. So this will be a great resource for you to study. Go ahead on this page. Next to this video is there a place where you can put your name, your email, your phone number and hit get access. When you hit get access, I will send an email with all the information about how to get access to all the free resources. Remember to put your name, your email, your phone number next to this video. Cannot wait to meet you. See you in the summit.